welcome back to Indian Chingu! Finally, I'm posting my new video after so long. Actually, I was quite busy in this duration and I couldn't shoot any videos, so finally I'm here with my new video out. So in this video I am going to unbox a gift that I got from Korea, that is on Saenggwabang cooking kit. So don't forget to watch the video till the end, it's going to be payback. Let's go. So let's do the unboxing. Let me show you first how this box looks like. See, it's so beautiful, right? Wow. Here, I'm going to open this in front of you. Ta-da! I have to put this here. Yeah. Wow. It's written Goongon'is. I'm so glad to receive such a beautiful kit, and I'm excited to cook this also. And here are the ingredients that are. This item is just paper tray actually. Okay, I guess it's porcelain. Maybe. I don't know exactly what it is. I have to taste that first. Oh, wow. Yeah, I guess it's like dried porcelain, I guess. It is 장식용 나무집 매작과. So this is a kind of dessert. Wow, I don't know how it tastes like. I'm so excited and I'm curious to try it. So here goes our next item. This one. It is 혼합약재 가루. I guess it's the powder. Okay, yeah, exactly. It's 7 types of mixed herbal medicine powder. Okay. One more item is left. That's our main ingredient actually. So here comes 맵쌀 가루. That is the glutinous rice flour. Let's unbox this as well. Wow, I love the packaging actually. Wow, the quantity is also amazing. So this is my beautiful Saenggwabang on cooking kit, and I'm very excited to try this. So let's see the making. Let's go. Dynasty-구선왕도고 is ready! Hooray! Look, it's looking so beautiful. And let's taste it as well. Yeah, I already took my piece. Let's try it. Wow. Wow, it smells so good. Super. I've never tried any cake that's made with rice flour or anything like that. It's my first time trying. And you know what? Along with it being tasty, it's healthy as well. Let's try this in dessert. I guess it's green tea. I guess, yeah, it's green tea. It's so fluffy and it's delicious as well. Super delicious.
A few moments later.
I would like to thank Goong ON and K-Influencer Academy for giving us such a great opportunity to explore Korea from our country, and I'm so glad and grateful to receive such a beautiful meal kit, and I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Annyeong! See you soon in the next video. Bye!